Over 1 billion people globally live within 7 miles of the coast, and many of these communities rely on tide gauges to monitor conditions. At NexSens, we've helped thousands of professionals build tailor-made environmental monitoring systems. Follow along as we configure this NexSens non-contact radar system for measuring the tide in a saltwater estuary. Since we're deploying our system off the side of a pier, we'll select a NexSens Mast. With a 2-inch pipe thread on both ends, the mast easily attaches to a pre-installed pipe or can be clamped or strapped to other structures like pilings and handrails. The mounting pole offers added stability and easy mounting for solar panels, loggers, and sensors. To power our system, we'll need to add a NexSens SP series solar power pack. The pack includes a solar panel, regulator, and battery housed in a weather-tight enclosure built to withstand harsh conditions. Solar panels come in 15 and 32 watt sizes. The best one for our system depends on what power requirements we have and the environment at the deployment location, including sun duration and intensity. Since our system will be deployed in a balmy coastal environment with plenty of sunlight, we'll opt for the 15-watt option. Next, we'll select the X3 Data Logger. Telemetry options for the X3 include Wi-Fi, cellular, and Iridium satellite. As our system is going to be somewhat remote, we'll opt for cellular. Let's also add the Data Logger mounting kit. Specifically designed for the X-series data loggers, it makes mounting the X3 a breeze and also includes ground-in hardware to protect against power surges and spikes, so you never miss a data point. For tidal measurement, a Geolux LX-80 series level sensor is a great option as it requires minimal maintenance and offers a high level of accuracy as the radar signals are highly resistant to environmental interference. More elaborate sensor setups can include cameras, rain gauges, weather stations, wave sensors, and water quality measurement instruments. For more complex setups like these, or when deployed in an environment with limited sunlight, we would need a larger solar panel to support additional power requirements. Today though, we're going to stick with the basics and go for the level sensor. And that's our system assembled and ready to be attached to the pier. Once deployed, the data it collects can be used to enable safer navigation, more efficient port management, and better planning for coastal resilience in the face of environmental change. Unlocking the benefits of this data relies on being able to access it remotely and in real time. WQ Data Live is the online platform where we'll be able to view and export data, send remote commands, set alerts, and more. There are different tiers available to support varying requirements. As we want to be able to set comprehensive alerts and seamlessly share our data publicly, we'll go for the professional option. And that's our tide gauge system assembled. With hundreds of easily integrated combinations and a plug-and-play system, with NexSens, it's never been easier to configure and deploy a custom environmental monitoring solution. Contact one of our experts today and start configuring your environmental monitoring system, or visit nexsens.com for more information. NexSens, better data. It's never been easier.